Solving trigonometric equations. So here is the solution for the last problem in worksheet 1. As you have noticed here, most of the questions are very simple and the solution you can derive from your special triangles, right? So you don't really need a calculator to calculate the answers for the problems in worksheet 1. Now, idea here is to look for all possible solutions, right? Now, it says worksheet solution 1. It says solve for x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, right? Some of our students are working in, they're not using 2 pi, right? They're not using radian units. So they can find solution from 0 to 360 degrees. 0 degrees to 360 degrees, correct? So you can find solutions in either degrees or in radius. Right. Now, the problem is square root of 3 minus tan x times square root of 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in the factored form. So here, for this to be 0, either square root of 3 minus tan x equals to 0 or square root of 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0, right? So both will give us set of solutions within our domain of 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 360 degrees. Now as you see here, we can write down what is tan x here. So tan x is equals to, we can bring it here, so we get square root of 3, right? And here we get sin x equals to minus 1 over square root 2. Now, we should draw the special triangle so that straight away we can find all our answers, right? So this is a very neat special triangle which helps to get values for both 45 degrees and for 30 and 60 degrees. So I'll draw this triangle like here. Let me show you this triangle. Now in this particular triangle, this is 45 degrees, and that is 90 degrees, so that one is also 45. And let's say these sides are 1, 1, and that side will be square root 2. So that is your special triangle for 45 degrees. And this one is 30, 60. Now this side is square root of 3. So the angles are 30 degrees here, 60 degrees here. When we say that tan x equals to square root of 3, it means what? It means that you're looking for solutions in quadrant 1 as well as in quadrant 3, because tan x is positive in both quadrant 1 as well as in quadrant 3. Now, tan x is square root 3 for which values? For 60 degrees, right? So we have a solution here which says x is equals to 60 degrees plus a 60 degrees in this quadrant also, which makes it 180 plus 60. So that is the next answer. So try to give both the answers or all possible answers in these cases, correct? Because the domain is 0 to 360 degrees. That means full circle, right? So tan is positive in two quadrants, quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. So we have the solution here as 60 degrees here and 180 plus 60. Is it okay? 180 plus. So there are two solutions. So the other one is 180 plus 60 degrees. So these are two solutions for x, for tan x to be square root 3. How about sin x equals to minus 1 over square root 2? So if you look into the quadrants, sin is negative in quadrant 3 and 4, correct? And its value will be 1 over square root 2 for 45 degrees. So your two answers are these two answers, right? So one is this angle. So we are normally giving principal angle is our answer, correct? The other answer is this. So these are the two answers for you. So one is 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. The other one is 360 degrees minus 45 degrees. So these are the two solutions for sine x equals to minus 1 over square root 2, right? And therefore, combining both the solutions, we get four solutions to this factored form of quadratic equation, right? So we get answers as x is equals to 60 degrees, 180 plus 60 is 240, and then we got 185 plus 45, 225 degrees, and 360 minus 45, 315 degrees. So these are the four answers for this particular equation, correct? So that is how we have to do it. Thank you.